Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. Today we have a total of 64 odds over and under market. So let's get started. The first game we have today is in England Amateur, where Hampton's Richmond is taking on Chelmsford City, and my prediction here is under 4.5 goals. And then the next one we have is in Thailand, where Mahasarham is taking on Sufaburi, and my prediction here is under 3.5 goals, rather over 1.5 goals at full time. The next one we have is in Turkey, where Allianspor is taking on Gaziantep FK, and my prediction here is under 4.5 goals. We have a game in England Premier League where Nottingham Forest is taking on Aston Villa under 4.5 goals. A game in Azerbaijan where Shamaki is taking on Sabel, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. We have a game in Czech Republic where Dokla Plok is taking on Hatlek Kralov, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. If you want to join VIP and win daily, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Remember, there's a correct score game today, so if you want to buy the correct score game, chat me up on WhatsApp. Moving on, we have a game in England Championship where Bristol is taking on Queen's Park Rangers, and my prediction here is under 3.5 goals. We have a game in Scotland where Inverness Corinthian is taking on sorry, I missed that game. Inverness under 3.5 goals. Okay, we have another game here in England Amateur League where Grimsby Town is taking on Crewe Alexander under 3.5 goals. Still in England, we have a game between Southern United taking on Hisapo United, and my prediction is under 3.5 goals. A game between Malin FC taking on Scunthorpe United under 3.5 goals. Still in England Amateur League. Then we have another game between Eastbourne Borough taking on AFC Honchurch under 3.5 goals. A game in Belgium where Wolf Haverley is taking on Royal Chariot under 3.5 goals. A game in Northern Ireland where Patterdown is taking on Clifton Vale under 3.5 goals. A game between Warrington Leyland taking on Watkins in the England Amateur under 3.5 goals. Exeter taking on Barnsley under 3.5 goals. Still in England, Oxford taking on Sheffield United in England Championship under 3.5 goals, or rather over 1.5 goals. The next one we have here is a game between Sally's Fast Sport taking on Pediscore, and my prediction here is under 3.5 goals. You find this game in Turkey Amateur League. So it gives us a total of 51 odds. I missed that Scotland game. So if you add that one up, will give you 64 odds. So bet responsibly. This is the booking code for the game. If you are using Sportybet, if you are not using Sportybet, go ahead and book them in your own local booking. Thank you. I'll see you guys later.